exploring the world of brochures, purpose, types, and key differences. Are you curious about the power of printed materials in the digital age? Ever wondered what sets a brochure apart from a pamphlet? You've come to the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of marketing and design. In today's video, we unravel the mystery behind brochures, their purpose, and how they differ from pamphlets. So, let's get started. What is a brochure? Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is a brochure? At its core, a brochure is a versatile piece of printed marketing material. It's designed to convey information about a product, service, or organization in a concise and visually appealing manner. Brochures come in various shapes, sizes, and formats, making them a flexible tool for marketers. The purpose of brochures. Now that we know what a brochure is, let's explore its purpose. Brochures serve several key functions in the world of marketing. They can educate, inform, persuade, and even entertain. These little paper wonders are crafted to grab the reader's attention and leave a lasting impression. Difference between brochure and pamphlet. You've probably heard the terms brochure and pamphlet used interchangeably, but they're not quite the same. Let's clarify the differences. While both are printed materials, brochures tend to be more detailed and designed for specific marketing purposes. Pamphlets, on the other hand, are usually shorter and simpler in content. Types of brochures. Brochures come in various types, each suited to different needs. We have the bifold, trifold, gatefold, and more. Each type offers a unique way to present information effectively. Choosing the right type can make or break your marketing campaign. Designing an effective brochure. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about designing an effective brochure. From layout to color schemes, typography to images, we'll cover the essential elements that make a brochure not only informative but visually captivating. And there you have it, the world of brochures demystified. We hope this video has been informative and inspiring. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends in the marketing and design world. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Connect us via social media: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. Contact us via WhatsApp, call, website. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of brochures. Until next time.